Carl here with Crafting with Carl. I'm using Chroma. This is Chroma Lux, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make this plushie all in the hoop. So this is the design for the plushie. The yellow line is the actual stitch line of the plushie, and using Chroma, if I click on that yellow line, right click, and I go to Utility on Chroma Lux, I can create an outline. And here I'll set the offset to about a 40. That'll make that blue line that you just saw. So I'm gonna make it go to 40 and click OK. And now I have this little blue line. And this is the one that I just made. And I'm going to right click it and convert it to a run stitch. And I'm also gonna make it a 7mm stitch because I don't need it to be super hard or tacked down. So 7mm apply, and there it is. So now we have our 7mm. So this is the front of the plushie. And then I have the back of the plushie, and notice I took out that center or that main the main stitches of the actual shape. So this is again an outline that's just going to go outside the main shape. So I'm giving myself a 1/4 inch allowance. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a stitch. So I'm creating this stitch, which is going to be a triple bean stitch. So this is actually the same size as the outline stitch that I had before. Not the outline, but the actual stitch line, where I'm going to join the front and the back together. And I'm also leaving this little space right here. And by doing a triple bean stitch, this is gonna be really strong. And at the end, I'm gonna show you how to just glue this shut, and it's gonna look perfect. Let's go to the machine. And I have just this little piece of felt with one layer of cutaway backing, and we're going to just let this run. There it goes. So it's gonna start with the eyes, and the last thing it's gonna do is gonna make the outline. Now that the front part is done, you can see this is where I'm going to actually cut it, because I'm gonna cut just a little bit outside this line, and that's gonna help me align it to the back part. So the front is done, let's do the back. Now, of course, the one thing that's making this real easy is my mighty hoop. I'm using my 12 by 11 mighty hoop for this project. The image is about 10 inches wide. So here I put my material right on top of it. Okay, just make sure it's nice and flat. And without any trouble, with one hand, I can just take my hoop and check it out. Just drop it in place. Done. That's hooped. Now we just put it right on the machine. Man, these mighty hoops are awesome. If you don't have any yet, I highly recommend that you guys get some. They are great. And look at that, it snaps right in. Now let's pick the back design. All right, the secret is you're gonna leave it right where it is. Do not move it. All I'm gonna do is, since this is the center of the design, I'm going to switch over now, and I'm going to pick my stitch line. So now I'm gonna do my outside stitch. Okay, so this is the front. Remember, we already made the front, but I'm gonna leave the back in so it's nice and stiff. If I had ripped this off, the felt would have moved. So I have my outline stitch here, and this is kind of like an applique. So we're gonna place it right on top of it, exactly so it matches. It doesn't have to be perfect because I am giving myself about a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And that looks good right about there. Everything seems to line up. So now all I gotta do is start it. Here we go. And look, chopsticks are your friends, guys. You don't need to spend a lot of money on this stuff. There it is. So I'm just gonna kind of hold it down a little bit. It's gonna do a quick stitch. Look at that. And it's gonna stop right here to give me a place to put the stuffing. See that? Now it's gonna do a double stitch. So this stitch line is super strong and it's gonna hold up really well. All right, guys, that's how you do it. Now let's take it out, cut around it, and take the backing off. I used my chopstick to help me invert the star, and then I stuffed it. And at the very end, I used super glue to seal it all up. This was just a demonstration to show you how to make a plushie right on the machine. You can get your own star right at the slide shop. Follow for more.